What is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we are out here on Broken Arrow Trail out in Sedona. It's honestly one of my favorite trails out here. It's pretty easy, but it's a fun little obstacle rock crawling section. And this is the first time I've hit this trail with my new DV8 bumpers, the new DV8 prototype bumpers, coming out pretty soon. We got the Icon Stage 5 coilover kit, so we got the dual adjusters front and rear, which is really nice. We got those. And the first time we have the MT tires on the truck. Last time we had the RTs, now we have the MTs. All right, and then we have Adam out here in his 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road two-wheel drive with a rear locker on 33s. There's some Nitto ridge rafflers, so he's done this trail before, but his tires are a little bit more bald, but it's gonna be a fun day.
Okay, slowly, because you're, yeah. Okay, you're about to. That's the point. I would take it out of angle a little bit, but, yep, bumper. Oh, he's about to, yep.
All right, guys, we just stopped and had a little snacky for lunch. Got the little Capri Sun juice box, and we're gonna keep on going on this trail. And I love this trail. It's easy, but it's super fun every time I come. So let's keep on going and have a fun birthday bash for me. like, comment, subscribe. Check out DOWNTIMELOST.com. Buy some merch. Support the boy. We're having fun.
Let's go. Yeah, that's nice.
Got room back there?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's good right there. Now bump it. Ah, you're almost there. Now you're gonna bump it. Ah. Okay. You got it, bro. Yee! That's it. Good shit.
That is fucking ridiculous.
I'm sorry, Adam. I'm
Shit
sorry.
that you make me do.
Alright guys, the only reason why he couldn't do it very easy is these
Time
goddamn Nittos wear out so fast. That's why you buy Falcons, but he's like no tread on here, so.
Literally like
But-
20,000 miles.
She did it. She did it. What do you think of that?
What do I think of that?
Yeah. What do you think of
I
that?
think we'll let you guys decide.
Yeah. Alright everybody, so this is what Adam was hitting right here. Kind of slipping out on this slick rock. Kinda. And right here, oop, right here is what I crawled. Doesn't look crazy on camera, I don't think, but it's pretty fun, little obstacle, you know. Nice little hill climb. There's my big old hitch scratch going up this guy right here. So that was fun. That was pretty fun. Alright everybody, we're out here at the infamous double staircase once again, and it looks just shitty or even shittier, so we'll give it a shot. Want some fun on this one? This boulder right there. That guy right there. So let's give it a shot. Let it rip. right, we're walking up without him here. He's getting it. You. Straight. Yeah. Straight. Perfect. Perfect. Those bumps get a lot bigger, don't they? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. No. Come on. Yoo-hoo. Oh shit. Oh, he's got it. Ew! 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 All right, guys, you saw that? That was Brian. He brought Caitlin down the stairs in his Jeep. He's a cool dude, awesome guy. That's what we love, the off-road community, you know? Talking shit and having fun, and that guy fucking just went up double staircase on 35s. That's pretty badass. I love that shit. You're awesome, dude. That was fun. What's going on, guys? We have finally made it to camp. We're out here on the Cinder Hills OHV area out in Flagstaff, and look at this camp spot right here. I'm sorry if the microphone is a little bit noisy for wind, but left it at home. This is the camp. The DJ stuck on my head. Hold on. So that is the camp spot. So this is just like the cinder sand. It's just like volcanic rock. They're like little pebbles. And then we have some mountain up there. Oh, the sun is coming up. The sun is rising. But it's like 5:30 and Parker should show up at like 7, and we're gonna camp, hang out, drink some beer, hit the cinders in the morning. All right, guys, we are making dinner right now, and we just enjoyed this nice little sunset going on here. But tonight for dinner, we have some good old ramen right here. So we got some ramen, chicken, and some hard-boiled eggs thrown on top of that ramen right there. Using the nice new fire maple, loving it. And yeah, we're just enjoying the nice sunset. Flexing out. Oh, I see you.
What?
I see you. That has to be you.
I'm stopping right now and stop.
Nope.
That's not him.
That's not you. There you go. I see your lights fucking bouncing around. Okay, don't run into me. Don't run into me. I see you right there.
Made it.
Made it. Oh, fuck no, he ain't gonna make that shit. Oh.
How's it working?
There's a big ass crevasse on the right side, and yeah, I don't think we're gonna make that turn. Alright everybody, we finished up at the cinders. Didn't really film very much. We were just having fun out there in Cinder Hills. I've never been there before, so it was a little scary kind of going up those big hills without knowing what's on the other side. But we had some fun getting some clips. Hope you guys liked it. It's pretty hard to kind of film going up big hills. And it's really windy out here, and I don't have a microphone, so I feel really bad for all you headphone users. So yeah, we're gonna head back home. I appreciate you guys watching. I love you guys. Take it easy. Bye.